Okay, this is Kosho 619. This heli's topless because it's about 90 degrees out here. Cooling her down. It's got a fan on it. Avion 100. You just saw me fly it. Did a little adjustment. Here we go. Safety first. People are behind us. The stunt one. Go stunt 2 was 80%. That sun is brutal. So another cool feature about this gyro is I'm on the normal setting basically for roll rate and pitch boost. With the micro beast, it's kind of cool. You can go into we're gonna go into parameter. We're gonna go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and G. I've got a purple light right now. I'm gonna go up 1, and we're going red flashing. We're going to pitch boost. We're gonna match it. That's H right now. We're going to red flashing. So we'll get out of that. Now simply, I've just turned up the roll rate on the helicopter. So you just saw the TikToks. Let's see if I can get a little more crisp, even though this battery's gonna be dead in about a minute and a half. Normal. There we go. Try to keep the radio from shining in my face too. So let her come up. Feels great, but that battery is dead. You saw it here first. That's a Spektrum LiPo 3200 milliamp, beating on it pretty good. I'm running the Blade Fusion 480. I got Spektrum 6350 cyclic servos in this and a 6360 tail servo. There's a good look at the servos, they're really sexy. Everything matches on this heli, which I like. So I got black and orange batteries, black and orange flybarless system. And I don't know, I really like it. So, you know, I go back and forth on setup. I fly Icon, I fly 6250HX, I fly Micro Beast. They're all like different girlfriends. So some girlfriends you really like, but some girlfriends you really like and they do special things. So, and it's hard to decide, you know, do you want the nice one or do you want the one that's you know, got kind of a wild streak in her? Anyway, do you like to fiddle with things, or do you like to try to fix her, or do you like to you know, just set it up and fly? I like the 7210 just because it's easy to set up. I just set this Flybarless system up in about 5 minutes and came and flew. So anyway, thank you. That's all I got to say.